Looking for cleaner, fresher air in your bedroom? The best air purifier for bedroom can remove dust, allergens, and odors effortlessly. Enjoy peaceful sleep, breathe easier, and create a healthier environment with the perfect air purification solution. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LEVOIT Core 300-P Air Purifier for Bedroom. The LEVOIT Core 300-P Air Purifier for Bedroom is a reliable and high-performance option for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. AHAM Verify certified, it guarantees proven cleaning efficiency tested for smoke, dust, and pollen with a CADR of 143 CFM. Its 56-watt high-torque motor works with the HEPA-grade LEVOIT original filter to remove 99.97% of particles from 0.1 to 0.3 microns, making it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or living spaces. Genuine replacement filters extend the purifier's lifespan, while multiple filter choices like the toxin absorber, smoke remover, and pet allergy filter allow customization based on specific needs. Sleep mode keeps noise low for uninterrupted rest, and its compact, elegant design fits seamlessly into any room. Overall, this air purifier combines efficiency, safety, and ease of maintenance, making it a top choice for healthier living indoors. Number 2. LEVOIT Air Purifier for Bedroom. The LEVOIT Air Purifier for Bedroom delivers a versatile and effective solution for cleaner air at home. Equipped with a pre-filter and main filter, it captures airborne pollutants, including pet hair, lint, smoke particles, and allergens, ensuring a healthier environment. Its activated carbon filter neutralizes odors and smoke, making the bedroom, kitchen, or office a more pleasant space. The Core Mini P model operates quietly, even in sleep mode, providing comfort without distractions, while auto-off and aromatherapy features enhance convenience and relaxation. Compact yet powerful, this unit efficiently purifies spaces of various sizes while remaining energy efficient. Its portability allows users to move it wherever needed, and intuitive controls make operation simple for all household members. For anyone seeking reliable indoor air purification, this LEVOIT model combines high-performance filtration, quiet operation, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for maintaining cleaner, fresher air in daily life. Number 3. KNKA Air Purifier for Bedroom. The KNKA Air Purifier for Bedroom stands out with its high CADR value and efficient multi-stage filtration system. Designed for both small and larger spaces, it provides a smoke/dust/PM 2.5 CADR of 226 CFM and a pollen CADR of 244 CFM. Refreshing air quickly while capturing allergens, dust, and airborne pollutants. Dual front and back air intakes combined with side outlets optimize airflow, ensuring fast air circulation and effective purification. Its 3-stage filtration system includes a washable pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter, trapping everything from pet hair to microscopic particles. A built-in air quality sensor and real-time display allow monitoring of indoor conditions, while filter replacement indicators simplify maintenance. With 4 fan speeds and multiple operating modes, it caters to personalized comfort needs. Combining powerful performance, convenience, and thoughtful features, the KNKA Air Purifier is a dependable choice for creating a cleaner, healthier bedroom environment. Number 4. LEVOIT 100S-P Air Purifier for Bedroom. The LEVOIT 100S-P Air Purifier for Bedroom combines high-efficiency filtration with smart functionality for cleaner indoor air. AHAM Verified certified, it meets rigorous standards for performance and energy efficiency, capable of refreshing air 4.8 times per hour in a 222 square foot space. Its 3-stage filtration system captures 99.97% of fine particles, including pollen, dust, and pet dander, while an activated carbon filter removes odors, fumes, and VOCs. The unit is pet-friendly with a U-shaped air inlet and pet mode to tackle fur and dander. Washable pre-filters simplify maintenance, and the device allows customizable schedules, auto mode, and fan speeds for tailored performance. Compact and stylish, the LEVOIT 100S-P fits easily in bedrooms, nurseries, or living spaces, delivering clean, fresh air while providing smart, convenient controls. For those seeking efficiency, quiet operation, and dependable air purification, it is an outstanding choice. Number 5. LEVOIT 200S-P Air Purifier for Bedroom. The LEVOIT 200S-P Air Purifier for Bedroom is designed for modern homes, offering powerful purification and smart connectivity. AHAM Verified Certified, it ensures reliable performance with high-efficiency airflow, refreshing 140 square feet room 4.8 times per hour. Its 3-stage filtration system, including a high-efficiency activated carbon filter, removes dust, pollen, dander, odors, and fumes with 99.97% efficiency. Lightweight and compact, the 200S-P fits seamlessly in bedrooms, nurseries, offices, or apartments. Quiet operation at 27 decibels ensures minimal disturbance, while smart controls via the V-Sync app allow adjustment from anywhere. The unit supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation. With advanced filtration, quiet operation, and smart features, the LEVOIT 200S-P offers a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to maintain cleaner, healthier air indoors without compromise. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.